This video we will cover the Copy Record and Viewer feature of EZ3. The tool allows you to copy records to a media like CD, DVD, or flash drive, and open the record with a simple free viewer without the use of the EZ3 application. This can be a great tool for sending a copy of the record to another provider for review, or even if a patient would like to get a copy of the raw data from their test. To get started, be sure to have your CD, DVD, or flash drive connected to the computer. Open your EZ3 System Utilities dashboard. Select Copy Record and Viewer. First, you want to set the destination that the copy of the record will be sent to. Click Browse and be sure to select the media that you are using and click OK. In this example, I'm using a flash drive. Next, select your record. If you need a copy of several records, simply hold down the Control key as you click on the records needed and hit Select when complete. If reports are needed to be copied as well, click on the Select Reports button, locate and select the appropriate reports, and click Open. Click on Export. The software is now copying the patient records and reports with the viewer to the destination selected. Once the export has completed, a window will pop up letting you know the copy is complete. Click OK. Now that you have copied your record and viewer, the end user will need to view that record. Insert your media containing the copy files to the computer. You may get a prompt to select how to manage the files on the computer. If you see the prompt, select Read EZ3 Record and click OK. If you don't see this prompt, or if you clicked Cancel, then use Windows to locate the external media and select EasyReaderLaunch.exe. If you copied a single record, the viewer will open automatically. If you selected multiple records, you will need to select the record to be viewed from the list and click Open. With the review window open, click the question mark in the upper right-hand corner, and it will open a document with helpful hints for navigating the record. If a record was copied with a video window will open and be synchronized with the waveform data, even allowing for video playback.